tasting time. So, cheers. It's nice, cool. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight I'm gonna show you how to make Caipirissima cocktail. Yes, Caipirissima cocktail. So this for the cocktail, we need this ice cream. No, just kidding, not ice cream. It's white sugar. I put only white sugar here. So we need this white sugar, and don't worry, if you have a brown sugar, you can use as well brown sugar. So anyway, we have brown sugar, white sugar, sorry, and white rum. Using this Bacardi rum, the Cuban rum, and of course we have here lime. And of course, our rock glass. So mga kabunso, what I gonna do, let's do it for your Caipirissima cocktail. So, let's start. So mga kabunso, we need first this lime. We need to lime for the cut for 3 pieces of lime wedges. Three of lime wedges only we need. So we need 1, 2, and 3. All right. And for the sugar white, a 3 spoon, 1, 2, and 3. If you don't have a bar spoon, you can use a teaspoon. All right. And then my muddler. So muddling. Oops. Slowly but surely, not broken the glass. Okay. See, you can hear the sounds of sugar combination with lime. This is absolutely very good taste. All right, and next 60 ml of 60 ml of Bacardi white rum. ml of Bacardi white rum means 2 shots of white rum. All right, ice for it. Full of ice. Mga kabunso, if you have crushed ice, better. Then use crushed ice as well. Alright, almost done, mga kabunso. Mga kabunso, this is a very nice drinks. Like I told you mga kabunso, if you have a crushed ice, crushed ice. So here we go. Almost done. Very nice. And your garnish, of course, lamb wedge, and put some straw. So here we go. So your Caipirissima cocktail. Cheers. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share to all your friends. So mga kabuso, once again, this is my favorite. You know, this all bartender, this is the favorite time. This is a free tasting time. So, cheers. It's nice, cool. It's a combination of sour, sweetness, and strong of rum. You will like it, this. So mga kabuso, I'll just wait one more. Ooh. So mga kabuso, once again, thank you very much for watching. Your Caipirissima. Cheers.